Are you in need of a reliable brake assembly that not only promises superior stopping power but also a hassle-free installation? Look no further. Unveiling our 8,000-pound trailer axle brake assembly designed specifically for the left-hand or driver's side of your trailer. With a dimension of 12.25 inches by 3.375 inches, this electric brake assembly is a beast, rated at 8,000 pounds per pair, ensuring your trailer halts when it's supposed to every single time. Now, let's talk installation. Our 8,000-pound trailer axle brake assembly comes with a 4-bolt brake flange, making the replacement of your old brake assembly straightforward and quick. No more delays. Just a simple switch and your trailer is road ready once again. The assembly is compatible with most 8,000-pound axles from top-notch manufacturers like Dexter, TK, Texas Pride, and others, making towing your trailer smoother than ever before. Word about adjustments post-installation? The adjustment ports located at the rear of the assembly allow for a quick and easy adjustment, ensuring that your brakes are always at their optimal performance. We understand the need for simplicity and ease, which is why with just 4 bolts and 2 wires, you're all set with new brakes. Your safety is our priority, and to assure you of the quality and durability, we offer a 1-year warranty on this brake assembly. At the Trailer Parts Outlet, we are dedicated to making your trailer repair and maintenance as effortless as possible. So if you're looking to upgrade or replace your trailer's brake assembly, look no further. Order your new 8,000-pound trailer axle brake assembly from our online store today and experience a world of hassle-free towing and improved stopping power.